Recently, Sony revealed the design of the PlayStation 5 along with the lineup of games that are going to be part of next generation PlayStation 5. Finally, Sony revealed the official look of PlayStation 5, which was been kept secret from long time. This PlayStation 5 console looks much better than Microsoft's Xbox Series X. Next generation of PlayStation is here. Sony introduced two versions of PlayStation 5. Standard version PlayStation 5, which comes with 4K Blu-ray drive, and second version, which is new in PlayStation family, is Digital Edition PS5, which is like Xbox One as all digital edition. PS5 Digital Edition is more thinner than the standard version of PlayStation 5. It's possible because of the removal of the optical drive. Also, Sony introduced bunch of games that are going to be part of PlayStation 5, including Horizon Forbidden West, Spider-Man Miles Morales, Gran Turismo 7, and Resident Evil 8. Also, Ubisoft is going to launch their Assassin's Creed Valhalla on PlayStation 5 in holidays of this year. Resident Evil. Also, Sony revealed a bunch of accessories that are going to be part of PlayStation 5 family. Accessories include a media remote, Pulse 3D audio headset, all new SD camera, a DualSense charging station. This accessory is going to launch alongside with the PlayStation 5 console. PS5 is powered by an 8-core AMD Zen 2 CPU and a custom RDNA based GPU. The custom AMD chips provide 10.28 teraflops of power frequencies on both CPU and GPU. In terms of RAM, the PS5 has 16 gigs of GDDR6 RAM. PS5 comes with solid state drive. PS5 also supports 8K graphics along with 4K graphics at 120Hz refresh rate and 3D audio. Few weeks ago, Epic Games provided Unreal Engine 5 tech demo, which was running on the PlayStation 5. The graphics of the Unreal Engine 5 was not Unreal Engine 5 of the PlayStation 5 was stunning. It was giving the demo of Unreal Engine 5. The PS5 graphics was looking so much better than the previous generation PlayStation 4. You can place the PS5 vertical or horizontal. In vertical, PS5 looks more stunning, and I have one question: what will be the Microsoft's next strategy to do their best with the Xbox Series X? You can tell me in the comment section. PS5 and Xbox Series X, these both console is going to launch in holidays. Now the both console has different design, but PlayStation 5's design looks way better than the Xbox Series X design. Black and white combination with the blue RGB lightnings, that looks stunning. I think Sony is doing lots of better things than the Microsoft they did with their console. Sony has not revealed the price of both PlayStation 5 versions, but my expectation, PS5 Digital Edition is going to be cheaper than standard PS5 version, because when Microsoft launched the Xbox One as Digital Edition, all Digital Edition was cheaper than the standard version of the Xbox One S. Like Microsoft, Sony introduced lots of games for the PlayStation 5, including Horizon Forbidden West, Spider-Man Miles Morales, Gran Turismo 7, and Resident Evil. This announcement was made during an hour-long digital event on YouTube and more platforms, which was watched by millions of people worldwide. PS5 looks more stunning when it will be introduced with special edition bundles. Will look much better, cause when the special edition bundle has different designs, different colors, and different color combinations, it will be look more stunning, right? And right now it's PlayStation 5. Guys, don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit side bell icon, which is right there. And my name is Aaron. See you in the next.
Oh,